If you would like to add a contact form to your website, Dronedesk has you covered. Click on the Profile menu in the top right-hand corner of the dashboard and choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Select Inquiry Form from the menu options in the Settings page. Here you will be able to configure your contact form. Add a suitable email address. Include your domain. That's the domain for the website where the form will be embedded. Add a URL for your privacy policy and edit the success and error messages if you wish. You have the opportunity to change the background color, the form field size and the button text, as well as the button color. And if you would like to remove any of the specific form fields, you can do that here. Once you've designed your contact form, copy the code and add it to your website.